Alright. Alright, this is 6 absolute value x. So what do I got to do before I can even touch the absolute values? I got to get them alone. I got to get them alone. How do I get the absolute value alone? Divide by 6. So I get absolute value of x is greater than or equal to 10. Okay? Then what? What is it? Right?
Is it 60 or 16? It's in the book.
27 is 60. 16 was 29. Am I recording? Yeah. Okay. Then I go the other direction, right? And x is, remember, OPP. So,
Less than -10.
perfect. Now I just got to graph them, right? Okay? If I graph them, I can go like this. I got -10. I got +10, right? Is it an open circle or a closed circle? Closed on 10, right? Going away from it or towards it? Away this time, right? And then closed circle or open?
Closed.
Away or towards?
Open.
Away. Right? Now if I want to put that in just one x, which 10 goes here?
Negative.
And the other one?
Positive.
And then, is it pointing at -10 or away from it? Is it pointing at -10? Away. Is it pointing at the 10 or away from it? Pointing at it. See how that works? Keep it simple. What's that?
Why does it say Z?
It's not Z. Okay? Alright. That was pretty simple. Now for a little bit more hard one. Okay? Can I just split this up? Right?
No.
Why not?
You have to divide.
Oh, okay. What do I have to divide by?
2.
Why?
Because
To get them alone.
But what if I don't want to? If I don't want to divide by 2?
then you're going to get
Then you're going to get the wrong answer. Yeah. You got to do it. It's just the way it works, right? So, I get x plus 2 absolute value is greater than or equal to 8. Right? And now what can I do? X plus 2 greater than 8. These are opposite. X plus 2 less than or equal to -8. Okay? Do the math. -2 minus 2. You notice we're just doing what we've been doing all last week, except we have these inequalities, right? The inequalities. It's the same steps. So what's beautiful about tomorrow and Thursday and Friday and next Monday and next Tuesday, here's the thing. The better you work at this to get ready for that test. Since we're not going to test you guys next week. We're going to test you guys the week after, right? But remember this. November 4th is the midterm week. By the 4th, I have to have the grades in. That means I have to test you on my birthday. I hate coming to school on my birthday.
I'll bring you a cupcake.
Huh?
I'll bring you a cupcake.
But I have to do it. So on November 2nd, we're going to have the midterm.
That's one of the days.
Hopefully, you guys will score better than 85% on the midterm, and we will have a party for my what?
Birthday.
What? Best birthday present ever is that every single class gets a party. I can't think of a better way to spend my birthday week than partying in every single class all week long.
Is that your birthday wish?
Huh?
Is that your birthday wish?
That's my birthday wish. It's never come true yet. But every year, it's the same thing. We always have midterms right then. But there's a chance that it can happen. Think about it. We're doing chapter 1 and chapter 2. They're the same for you guys. It's the same thing except with these. You guys can do this. You can get a good grade. I know you can. But take the time this week to do that extra work it takes on the boards. Oh, I'm still videoing. Better get this going. Okay. What do I do next? Same thing to this side, right? Minus 2, minus 2. X is less than or equal to negative 10. Right? And so now I got to graph it. Okay? By the way, this is the first time I've graphed it first. Usually I have them put the X's together. I found this is so much easier. So you're welcome. Because it's already set up. The X's come first. This is really nice. All I have to do is go, okay, negative 10 and 6. Solid or open? Solid or open? Solid. Okay? So I'm going to go solid. And then
Solid.
to the right?
Left.
Yeah,
To the right? To the right. And then the other one is to the left, right? To the left. To the left. See, we could be playing that song on the birthday party dance, right? The chicken. Whatever. So,
To the left, to the left.
to the right. To the right. All right. So then we got X, negative 10, 6. And then is it pointing at the 10? No, it's pointing away from it. Is it pointing at the 6? Yes. That's it. You just ask yourself the simple questions and write it out. Okay? All right, this one's a lot harder. I don't think you can do it. Right? It's too hard. Let's just quit now. No? Okay. So, I got to get this alone, right? So I need to do the opposite. Okay? Now I know this is a tough question, but I'm going to ask it anyways. If I had 10 and a half cookies, and you guys ate 9 of them, how many would I have left?
1.
Just 1? 1.5. Right? Well, I should bring cookies in for the party, right? Because obviously you guys can do cookie math just fine. Right? So then, I split it up. X minus 1/2 is greater than 1.5. This has to be the opposite. X minus 1/2 is what? less than negative 1 and 1/2. Okay, then I just do the math. I add a half. I add a half. If I add a half to 1.5, how much do I have? 2. Okay. I add a half. And I add a half. If I add a half to negative 1 and 1/2, how much do I have?
1. Negative 1.
Negative 1.
Negative.
Good, good, good. No, we're there. We got it. Now I gotta squeeze this on the board, right? Hopefully this isn't getting the board, the whole board, nothing but the board, right? So help the board. So we have the graph it. So I have what? Negative 1 and 2. Okay? So at the 2, it is solid or open?
Open.
Okay.
Okay? And does it go right or left?
Right.
Right. Okay? Negative 1, solid or open?
Open.
Left or right?
Left.
Good. Okay? And then the last step is I build an X. What number goes on this side?
2.
Okay? What number goes on this side? Okay? Is it pointing at the negative 1? Away from it. Is it pointing at the 2? That's it.
No more?
That's it.